Hi, this is Wylog's second grade lesson 7, and we're going to begin with count back. Count back to find the difference. So number 1, we have 4 minus 2. So how we usually do it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we subtract 2. So we erase 2 and we count how many we have left, and that would be 2, right? So we would put 2. But for this one, we have to use count back, and we have to count back to find the difference. So we're going to make a number line. For example, we put 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number line. And we start with 4. So we start from here. And we count back 2 because we are subtracting 2. So we start from this one. We go 1, 2. We count it back. And we get 2, which is our answer. Let's try number 2. We have 5 minus 1. So let's make a number line. 3, 4, 5. Like that. We start with 5. 5. And we subtract 1. So we go back 1. If we go back 1, we're going to get 4. So 4 would be our answer. But we don't have to draw a number line. We can just count backwards. So for number 4, we can do it like 3, 4, 5, 6, and then start with 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, we end up with 3. We can do it like that, or we can just count backwards. So we start from 6, and then we go 5, 4, 3, and 3 would be our answer. Now we just do the same thing for all the rest of the questions. And then the next page, we have subtraction. So write the missing numbers. To find the missing numbers, we have to take this number, the biggest number, right? The greatest number. And we have to take our answer, the answer given, and subtract it from this one. So we do 7 minus 5 equals blank, the missing number, right? So 7 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we get 2. So 2 would be our missing number. So let's try number 2. We have 4 minus blank equals 1. Again, we have to do 4 minus 1 equals blank to find the missing number, right? So 4 minus 1, when we count back 1, that is going to be 3. So we put 3. And let's try number 13. We have 10 minus blank equals 7. So again, this would be 10 minus 7. We take this number, right? 7 equals blank. Now, what is 10 minus 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we count, and we get 3. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay. Next, we have think addition to subtract. Add or subtract. So number 1, we have 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. Here we had 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8, so we put 8. And now we have 8 minus 5, and 8 minus 5 equals 3. When we look at this, when we added these two add-ins, we got 8, right? And we started with 8, and we subtracted 5, and now we can see that we ended up with 3, right? So it's going to be the same for all the rest of the questions. So let's do number 2. We have 4 plus 6, that is 10. And we have 10 over here, right? 4 plus 6 equals 10. And 10 minus 4, what's our missing number? 6, right? So the answer would be 6. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now let's try one more. We're going to do number 10. We have 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Sorry, that's a 0. And 10, we have 10 over here, minus 5 equals 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay. Next, word problems. Helen cleaned 3 sandals and 5 boots. How many more boots than sandals did she clean? So 3 and 5, right? How many more boots? So that'd be 5 minus 3 because greater number, and then minus the smaller number, right? Now we do 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we put 2 and then sandals. So SANDALS. Now let's try the next one. There are 8 slices of pizza on our plate. Ruth eats 2 slices. Parker eats 4 slices of pizza. How many slices of pizza are left? So we're going to have to add 4 and 2. And 4 plus 2 equals, or 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? So now we're going to have to subtract it from the total. So 8 minus 6 equals, and the answer we get would be the answer for number 2. Thank you.